MWC 2018 is officially underway in Barcelona, and Samsung has already stolen the show. The company unveiled its latest flagship lineup with the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. While 2017 marked a major shift in design for Samsung, 2018 is an off year, which means minor changes are in the cards for this round of devices. Speaking to the differences between these two, the smaller Galaxy S9 comes in at 5.8 inches, while the S9 Plus measures in at 6.2 inches. The smaller S9 is also equipped with 4 GB of RAM, while the plus size model is being beefed up to 6 GB. Battery size could play a role in determining which device potential owners will want to take home, as the Galaxy S9 features a 3000 mAh battery and its larger brother features a 3500 mAh battery. The final major difference between these two devices is a big one, and it comes in the camera department. The standard S9 features a single 12 megapixel rear mounted sensor, while the larger Plus model comes equipped with a dual camera system with a 12 megapixel wide angle lens and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens. The secondary lens on the Galaxy S9 Plus features a mechanical aperture capable of switching between f1.5 and f2.4. This is said to vastly improve low light performance, which has been an issue for many other companies on the market. Powering both of these flagships is a Snapdragon 845 chipset from Qualcomm, along with 64 gigabytes of expandable storage, USB Type-C charging, and yes, the headphone jack is back. As has been the tradition for the last few years, Samsung has once again shifted its focus to the camera. Iris scanning returns with tiny improvements, but the best feature comes in two forms. The first of which is how Samsung has integrated its own take on Animoji with AR selfies. You essentially create a cartoon of yourself, which can then be transformed into stickers and gifts to share with your friends. A partnership with Disney was also announced, which allows you to follow along with Mickey Mouse as he mimics your every move. The second showstopper feature with the cameras comes thanks to the super slow-mo camera, capable of shooting at up to 960 frames per second. This kind of felt more like a novelty, but it's definitely something that could be used on a regular basis, especially for those with little ones running around. All in all, the Galaxy S9 is a solid improvement over its predecessor, sleek designs, dual cameras, and more features which aim to help Samsung dominate the market and the headlines in 2018. Oh, and the lilac purple Galaxy S9 could just be the hottest color of the year. To learn more about what the Galaxy S lineup has to offer, don't forget to head over to Phandroid.com. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like this video and subscribe.